The project has started. I would put a time lapse, but ta-da! So as you would have seen, last time it was a bit empty, but now we have fence. We have beware. We have hooks for the bikes, so if you want to park on the little driveway, we have slabs. We're waiting on stones to go around. So yeah, this is outside. We painted that. We are going to change the colour of that, I think, because it, as you can probably tell, it came off quite bad. So I believe we are changing the colour of that, but everything else is pretty much sorted, really. So we've got pallets, bought 8 pallets, fixed them to the fence, and then put them around here. Eventually we are going to get some little plants or something to go in there to make it look a bit nice. Don't know why that wood's in there, but yeah. So before my tripod died, the GoPro was, where was it? It was on a branch, one of them branches. So as you would have seen the time lapse from like up there, yeah, we've got a nice little touch going on that Jack created, JH_Supermoto. We've got monster cans, or monster, however the fuck you want to pronounce it. Yeah, I don't know why the fuck he done that, but yeah. The caravan also is ours, but we're just waiting on some stuff to be cleared out. And yeah, it's actually quite a minter, so let's get inside. So when you come in the pussy mansion, we haven't created it. Well, I wanted to say ghetto garage, but apparently we could do better than that. So we're still waiting on a name. So when you come into the garage, you've got JH_Supermoto, his helmet. Look at that, O'Neill. And then you come in, bruh, 4-stroke, 2-stroke. And then you come over to the bad boy. You come over to the BTEC bike section. So, and then the most important part is the bikes. So we've got the bikes in here. We've got chairs in here. Eventually, this will be like a bit of a workshop, and then the caravan will be our little cot spot, so where we chill, etc, etc. And yeah, it's not completely finished yet, but I don't know if I stand by the door. That is it. It's come a very long way. So I don't know whether the footage you would have seen before we actually had painted the garage. I can't remember if we had. I don't think we did, but now it is blue. Yeah, shit on the city. I don't know why that still looks like sad toilet paper, but yeah, we've done quite a decent job, to be fair. That was Jack's mistake, so just slaughter him in the comments, please. Thank you. Jack, do you want to say a piece?
No, I'm good.
You good?
No, I'm good.
Just who's that? Who's that? So yeah, bit of a weird one because you've never saw me at like this angle. I feel like fucking BTEC Casey Neistat or something. But yeah, very fucking strange one. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think there's anything else I can really show you apart from me. Fucking hell, it's bright. But yeah, I do hope you like it, and there's going to be content coming soon. Content. We've got nothing in the pipeline, but we've got ideas. I'm just going to leave it as that. We've got ideas, and yeah. So hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button, and if you like my content, then smash the subscribe button. The subscribe button. And then if you want to be notified when I upload a video, smash that notification button. Ding. And yeah, all's good in the hood. So, one last time. JH_Supermoto on Instagram. I'm trying to convince him to make a YouTube, but he won't. And BTEC Biker, yours truly. TNT125. Got the HJC on the head with the dark visor. Always repping. You know how we do. TNT125 power. So yeah. Smashing stuff. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, mate.